Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for January. Not sure how I feel about this bag this month. It's like mesh with all these neon colors all over it. It's a little different than what we typically get from them. The card inside says, "I will conquer." And the first product I'm pulling out is a nail polish from Pretty Woman. This is Johnny's Angels. I guess maybe that's the color of it. Ooh, it's a very neon blue color. It's pretty. I don't think I have a color like this, so I'm sure I will use that eventually. Also from Perlice, it says Prevent Blue Lotus Seed. It's a mud mask plus exfoliant. I got that. Also have an eyeliner. This is a waterline eyeliner in Intense Black. And that's what the tip looks like. Could always use black eyeliner, so I'm happy to have that. And a couple more products. It says Mary Lou from the Balm Company. I guess this is just a highlighter. Which is nice. I like their products. They always have really cute packaging. And then the last item I got in my bag is some heavy cream. This is rich vanilla and shea butter. Deeply nourishing. Can definitely use that right now. My hands are just absolutely cracked and are killing me. My knuckles are all red from washing my hands 1,000 times and how cold it is outside. Let me see what this smells like. Yeah, it has a very nice vanilla scent to it. So very cool. That is what I got this month. If you want to join Ipsy, I'll put some information below. It's only $10 a month, and you get all sorts of items in your bag. And it's always a surprise. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.